Good afternoon. Welcome back to the Daily Grind. Working with some nice goods today. Let's take a look and see what we got going on. We working with some, obviously, tie tack and felt pad. We gotta do a little bit of fancy stuff right here around that. And that's pretty much it. But we are working with some woven goods today, so gonna be really nice. I always like working with a nice carpet. It just makes everything feel and seem much better. Anyway, once I get it rolled out, we'll take a look and see what it looks like. Looks pretty cool. The shimmering depends on how the light hits it. See, just gray and then shimmer. Because the baseboards are not raised on this job and this is a woven good, whenever I cut the edge of my carpet here and the chain stitch is tampered with, there's nothing to stop it from fraying. So I take a bead of latex right at the edge of the baseboard. It ain't crazy. You can see just right at the edge where I tuck the carpet, the edging of the chain stitch and such will go right down in that latex and it will seal it up and keep it from ever fraying. So I don't have to do that on all four walls, only the two side walls where the chain stitch runs in the length direction across the ends. You don't have to worry about it. And you don't have to worry about it if the baseboards are raised up, because when you cut your chain stitch, there's going to be enough tucked underneath of the base to where your chain stitch is not going to be on the room side of the base and cause problems. Alrighty, we are done with this one. Fixing to, if you guys remember, did a laminate and a bunch of carpet here a while back on a job where I had like 3 different kinds of laminate. Well, they had a water leak, so we are going back to do that. Guy folded the carpet back and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go replace some pad and fix the carpet back. Tell you what, it's nice working with nice stuff. Chaka chaka, gotta love it. Well, here we are. This is what has gone down here at this job. Remember this? 3 different kinds of laminate, cock-a-doodle-doo. Anyway, he cut the pad out. So fixing to just put this pad in there. He left my closet on, thank goodness. I'm glad he didn't cut it off. So I'll be able to just fold all this stuff back in there and stretch it back up. After we get this pad done, this won't be too bad. Won't be too bad at all. Well, when you fold the carpet back and it's that much short, you know you got a good stretch the first time, huh? Okay, just as my good friend over at Good House Carpet Repair in, I can't remember the name of it, Anthony. Anyway, my good friend Anthony would say, like it never even happened. Got everything all stretched back up nice and tight again. Didn't just stretch it back up and tuck it like it was. We actually cut some off of it. That's just how we roll, man. Stretching it nice and tight. Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.